This is my daily carry for pens right now. It's a color chart pouch and a very, very high-tech system. So these are my main few pens and pencils that are always on me when I have my bag, basically. If not, then I have one at a time attached to my Paper Republic journals. Right now I have the GS01 OHTO needlepoint ballpoint refill attached to it. I typically have a Parker Jotter here, but my daily carry Parker Jotter kind of fell apart the other day, so I've got a new one on the way. But if I'm not using that notebook, these are what I typically go for. So this is a Tino ballpoint raw brass. It's heavy in hand. It has mostly a silent click compared to a lot of other pens. That's one of my daily writers. I also like to draw a lot with this one. This is the Tino ballpoint hand-mixed Italian acetate. This one is the Dune model. Every one of these is unique in color, although they are identical in shape and form factor. Every one of them looks a little bit different. This is the Tino ballpoint raw aluminum. This one I have a red refill, this has a black refill, and this has a Mangran gel refill, so it writes similar to G2 gel. This is a Kaweco SketchUp. It's a 5.6 graphite. It's essentially just a holder for graphite. Little more dense than charcoal. And then this unthreads, and there's two V-shaped blades in there, so it's got a sharpener built in. It's good for broad sketching and sort of larger areas. And then this one is one I mentioned the other day in a video, but this is a Kodak Parker Jotter cross brand. One of the locals who comes into the place where I work brought this to me because he collects pens and he knew that I collected Parker Jotters. It's got the sort of famous Parker Jotter click to it. Right now I have a Romeo refill in here, so it's very much like a gel refill. And the best system I've found so far is to clip them onto my business card and put them in a color chart pouch. Yeah. Anyway.